All right, y'all. So for the activity today, I'm going to show you guys an example problem. It's going to work exactly like this if you guys do the problem. It's pretty much one long problem, but there's 6 or 7 different questions that go with it. So please make sure you guys answer those questions, and please do it the way that I'm going to show you guys here. Okay, you just follow these steps. You should get it correct. It really shouldn't be too bad. So, morning. So yeah, what we're talking about today, we're actually going to be using proportions to find the percent. The question is similar to this one. It says these people raised money for a trip, and it gives you a list of names and a list of how much money each one of those people made. So here, Joe made 10, Bo was 15, Mo was 25, Lolo was 30, and Zoe was $20. The first step you need to do is add all these numbers. When you add all these numbers, that's going to give you the total or the whole amount for the trip. Because we need to know the whole before we can find anybody's percentage. Because that's what the question is going to ask you. It's going to say, what percent did each person raise? So what percent did Joe, what percent did Bo, what percent did Mo, what percent did Lolo, and what percent did Zoe raise? When I add my numbers up, 10 plus 15 is 25, plus 25 is 50, plus 30 is 80, plus 20. My total is $100. So that means that I'm going to be using my proportions with 100 as my whole number. To find the percent for Joe, I'm going to go ahead and put Joe's number or his dollar value in my proportion. Let's go ahead and set that up. Remember our two fractions that are equal to each other? The thing we're looking for is the percent. So I'm going to put a question mark over 100 on this side. I know that Joe raised $10. And that was $10 out of my total amount, which is $100. So my whole amount is $100. Now I need to go through my proportion steps. Cross multiply and divide. 10 times 100 is 1,000. 100 times the question mark gives me 100 question marks. My last step is to divide by the number in front of the question mark. So I should be doing 1,000 divided by 100. 100 goes into 100 one time. It goes into 0 times. So my answer for the first one would be 10%. You need to repeat those steps for every single person on your table, y'all. There should only be 6 people on there. So if you do the 6 people, set your proportion up the same way, you should get your correct answer for each one. I will do one more of these for you guys real quick just so you can see it. I'm not going to go straight down the list. I'm actually going to jump down and do Lolo down here. So y'all, I'm still looking for the percent. So I'm going to leave my question mark over 100 on that side. 100 for mine is the total. So I'm only using $100 because that's the total when I added all mine up. So for this one, Lolo had 30. To solve it, you'd finish your steps up. Cross multiply. 30 times 100 is 3,000. 100 times question mark gives me 100 question marks. Then if I wanted to solve this problem, I would divide by the number in front of the question mark. So I would do 3,000 divided by 100 to get my answer. And y'all, that answer would be my percentage for Lolo on this one. Please take your time, y'all. This one will be a grade, but this one should be a very easy assignment to get points on. If you have any questions, please ask me. I will be here in class helping you out. If you finish this before class time is over, you need to make sure that you've turned in all your assignments for me, y'all. Some of those I'm putting in the grade book now. Some of the stuff I put in yesterday, I have a couple more things to add in there. So please make sure you don't get any failing grades because you'll have to do that either over Christmas break or after Christmas. Thanks, y'all.